Excuse the oven noise.
Excuse the oven noise because we put the oven on for part of this recipe.
We have.
Today we are going to go Greek.
We're going a little bit Greek.
A little bit Greek. There will be a recipe, it's either gone on already or will come on after this, will be for flatbreads. Dead simple, easy flatbreads.
Everyday flatbreads.
Everyday flatbreads. We've got 2 or 3 recipes for flatbreads.
2 ingredients.
2 ingredients, yeah. But for now we're going to give you, well, it's kind of a topping for the flatbreads, but it's also great for a dip. You see it in supermarkets everywhere. We are doing whipped feta. We're going to whip up a recipe today.
We are.
But we're also going to do some lovely roasted tomatoes to go with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Greek feta.
That one's open.
That one's open, sheep's cheese.
Yes.
Very lovely. 350 grams of feta. I'm going to break it up, put it into a bowl. Comes in large blocks, as you can see. Just break it up, crumble it up. It's going to be blitzed with a hand blender in a while, but obviously it's easier if you crumble it up first.
We're making our own, A, because it's cheaper.
Yep.
But also because the stuff that you buy in the shops always have mint.
Yeah, and you're not a keen lover of mint.
No. In fact, I don't like mint. So.
There we go. Wash my hands a second. So, to that, you're going to add some Greek yogurt. This is full fat Greek yogurt. It's preferable than the non-fat one. So, there are various recipes of this and various proportions of this, I guess.
Yeah.
But we're going for one which, funny enough, we kind of found this Tom Carriage recipe. It has more cheese.
Yeah, we've got more cheese, less yogurt.
We've got 350 grams of feta, 300 grams of Greek yogurt. No, 200 grams of Greek yogurt, sorry. 350 to 200.
Yeah.
There we go. So, we are also, though, going to add the juice of half a lemon.
Yes, that's not Tom Carriage recipe.
That's a Greek recipe, so we kind of mix them together. Yeah? There we go.
And
a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Like we said, there are so many variations of this.
This is a Greek virgin olive oil.
It is a Greek
as well,
virgin olive oil, yes, I know.
We're going completely authentic here.
We're trying our best here.
Very not like us, usually.
Yeah, very not like us. So now the idea of this is you then blitz it. So you blitz it until it's smooth, but you don't blend it like in a blender until it's
It
nothing.
says do not put it in a high speed blender because it will come out too runny.
Yeah.
So we're going to blitz it, but we're going to blitz it steadily and
To
slowly.
your own kind of consistency you like. Remember, this is basically a dip. Yeah, a dip or a spread.
Ready?
Yep, yep. Give it a stir a few times as you do this. It takes a little while. But again, it's quite a therapeutic thing. And there's nothing better than actual freshly made food as opposed to stuff you buy in the shops.
I don't know about you, but I'd say that was
I'd say that's pretty much done. So, whilst Kelly just cleans up the hand blender, season to taste, bit of salt and pepper. Now the feta is very salty, so again, taste it to your own liking, okay? That is now whipped feta. If it goes too runny, pop it in the fridge. It'll stiffen up a bit more. You can add various things to this. You can add a bit of oregano, you can add a bit of garlic, you can drizzle loads of things in it, bit of chilli works. But honestly, that's it. You need a bit of mint if you wanted to. But that's your basic dip. It's going to be lovely. We're going to serve it on flatbreads. We're going to put ours with some roasted tomatoes, which we're going to show you how to do in a few seconds. So we're going to put this to one side.
I'm going to taste it
Yeah,
first.
taste it first. We'll season it up, put it to one side, and we'll do the tomatoes.
Definitely does not need salt.
Okay, probably a bit of pepper to counteract though.
I want you to taste it.
Okay. We're in the same family, I can share the same spoon.
Yeah, but I'm not double dipping now.
Not double dipping. Yeah, sharp and salty.
Yeah, don't need salt. We will put a little
Lemon
bit of
juice
pepper.
works, but it gives it like that edge.
Do you know what would go really well with
Well,
sweet chilli?
yeah, sweet chilli. Yeah, you get a sweet chilli sauce. I know it's a bit random, but sweet chilli sauce would work because you got the sweetness and the heat,
Yeah.
And you've got the saltiness and the creaminess.
Yeah.
All the combinations, yeah? If you like sour cream and chives type things, again, that would work. Chives would work.
It's kind of like...
It's a brilliant base.
Yeah. It reminds me of a good quality, like a really nice full fat
Cream cheese type
cheese.
thing, yeah. Put it on biscuits or...
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we
Stunning,
go.
it is. Stunning. So that is one recipe, okay? So you can use that actually as a separate recipe as a dip, all done.
Yeah. So we're going to put that in the fridge. We'll have that later with some flatbreads.
Okay, in the fridge.
I'll put it there
Leave it
because
there
I
for
need
one
to. I want to put some king film over it.
Okay, so roasted tomatoes. We've got a pack of baby tomatoes, or cherry tomatoes.
These are baby plum.
But honestly, any little cherry tomato would do. Actually, any tomato would do. If you grow on your own, you end up with a flat. We do this all the time, don't we?
And we used to do that a lot.
We did.
So we're going to put them in on their little stalks because they look pretty.
If they've got a stalk. There we go.
I might just have to taste one.
Well, you've got to try them, haven't you? Alright, good. Okay, to
God,
that.
they're sweet.
So, that's the point. Now, we have preheated our oven to 180 degrees fan, 200 non-fan, gas mark 6.
Yeah.
We've got extra virgin olive oil. We're using decent oil for this, because again, it's all for decent taste. Trying to think how much now.
What, the olive oil?
80 mils.
80 mils.
Yeah. To that, you either get yourselves three or four cloves of garlic, or you have some garlic paste, which we've got.
Yeah, we use garlic paste. I mean, look, it says to cut it chunkily and then spread it, because you're going to put it on your tomatoes, obviously. We don't tend to have garlic hanging around. We tend to use paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the paste in with the
So you're going to make a garlic infused oil, or a
That's what I'm going to do.
oil. Yeah. There we go. A couple of those in will probably be fine for what we need. Perfect.
Hang on, I'll give
That's
it.
okay.
There we go.
Yep, that smells like garlic infused oil. One day, with all this AI stuff, they think that we're going to be able to smell vision and stuff on YouTube or anything. So, that's that. To that, we're going to add about 4 sprigs of oregano, or oregano in the States.
Oregano.
Okay, Greek, very, very Greek herb, really, oregano. I'm going to pop that in there as well. Anything else? A little bit of salt.
I'm going to sprinkle the salt and pepper over the top of the tomatoes.
Okay.
So all we're literally going to do now is drizzle this over our tomatoes.
Yep. There we go.
Like so.
Scrape all the flavour in. So this is a really quick and easy recipe. If you add the flatbreads to this, which again is super quick, you've got a brilliant, well, almost a buffet style thing. Almost a, like we said, a picky tea type thing.
Yeah, we do like a picky tea.
Lots of bits and pieces. There we go, lovely.
There we go, there's our oil stir.
So I'm going to take a photograph of this before it goes in, just to show you, but kind of going to add a little bit of salt. We've got some Cornish sea salt. There we go. That's great already.
And we're going to roast that for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, about 20 minutes will be fine.
Until they're just sort of soft and full of juicy plumpness.
That's the idea. Now, when they come out, what are we going to do?
When they come out, we are going to drizzle some balsamic over ours.
Yeah, you can use red wine vinegar if you like.
Yeah.
But you have a big thing about balsamic
I
vinegar.
do like balsamic better
Sweeter.
than red wine vinegar.
Okay, so you just want to drizzle a bit on that, and then they're basically done.
Yeah.
The idea with this is you could build all this together, so you would have the flatbreads, which is our recipe,
Yeah.
or any kind of pita bread or kind of
Yeah.
cracker or whatever.
Bit
You
of
could
feta.
use some of the whipped feta,
Yeah.
put some of these tomatoes on it, then probably drizzle your...
So the juice
on.
that comes out of your tomatoes, along with the olive
keep
oil,
that.
keep it all, and then, like I said, a little bit of balsamic as well, and then you just take your little racks of tomatoes out, pop a couple on your flatbread with your whipped feta.
Delicious.
And sprinkle a little bit of the lovely juices.
Yep, all done. Okay, so again, we'll show you pictures at the end, but it's a very simple recipe.
Yeah, into the oven it goes, 20 minutes,
We'll see you later.
and we'll see you later.
Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe.
If you like these quick little recipes, let us know.
Yeah, we got a whole load of these kind of Greek style recipes we want to create, and they're just fantastic. Honestly, they're really good.
See you in a bit. Bye
Bye.
for now.